Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix Reels icon is not showing on your Instagram application in your Android device. So for this guys, just follow my easy and very simple method to fix this issue. So first what you need to do guys, open your Instagram app. After opening, you want to tap on search icon like this, and here just you need to open any reel from here. Just I am opening this reel like this and scroll down to 9 to 10 reels continuously like this. Just scroll down. After this guys, go back and close your Instagram application and restart your device one time. After restarting guys, just you need to open your Instagram app once again. After opening, now you can get your reel icon back on your Instagram application. In case guys this method is not working with you, you can try another method. Just you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, go to apps notification and go to all apps. From here guys, you need to find out Instagram. As you can see, Instagram is here. Just open it, and here you want to clear the caches and the storage of the Instagram. After this guys, go to the Google Play Store and update the Instagram application. After updating, open your Instagram application. Now you can 100% get your reel icon on your Instagram application. So this is the easy and very simple methods to fix the reel icon is not showing on your Instagram app. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.